Hey guys, it's Warren Nash and today we're making spicy butternut squash soup. This is a great winter warmer that's easy to prepare, plus it goes great served with crusty white bread.
Now, firstly, take one white onion, slice the ends off, slice in half, then peel, then roughly chop. Then take some garlic cloves and again peel, then roughly chop and set aside with the onion. Then take one washed red chilli, slice the end off, then slice the chilli in half lengthways, then remove the seeds using a teaspoon. Now roughly chop the chilli and set aside with the onion and garlic. Next, take a saucepan and place on the stove over a medium heat and heat up some olive oil. Then add the onion, garlic and red chilli and fry for about 5 minutes. And meanwhile take 2 carrots, peel them, then chop into chunks. Also take one butternut squash and chop the ends off. Then carefully, using a sharp knife, slice the butternut squash in half lengthways to expose the seeds. Use a spoon to remove the seeds from the butternut squash as well as any of the stringy fleshy bits. Now chop the butternut squash into chunks about the same size that you chopped your carrots into, and don't worry, there's no need to peel it either. So, when you've finished frying your onion, chilli and garlic, then carefully add the chopped carrots and butternut squash to the saucepan. Also crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube, then top the contents of the saucepan up with boiling water until all the ingredients are just about covered. Now give everything a stir until the stock has dissolved into the water, then bring the saucepan up to boiling point. Then leave your soup to simmer over a medium heat for 15 minutes. After the simmering time, carefully remove the saucepan from the stove, then take a ladle. Spoon out about 3 lots of stock from the pan, then set aside in a separate jug. And now using either a stick blender or a regular blender, we're now going to blitz our soup. And in this case we're using a regular blender, so add the ingredients to the blender jug, then blitz until nice and smooth. When you're happy with the consistency of your soup, stop blending. Then wipe out the saucepan we were using earlier and pour the soup back in. And if you feel your soup is too thick, simply pour back in some of the vegetable stock that we set aside earlier. And finally, season with some salt and pepper only if you feel it needs it, then garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. And for an extra kick, why not sprinkle with some dried chili flakes, and that is how to make a delicious, spicy butternut squash soup.